Okay, quick lesson on how to set up for flying a helicopter. Uh, this is a gyrocopter, two-seater, costs 1 million at the trader, and to fly it, the easiest way to learn, uh, hit your escape button, go to your options. We're at expansion. Gonna scroll that down, and you're gonna find this auto hover off in flight, and it says yes. We want that to say no. Apply it. Go back to options, controls, configure key bindings, expansion, helicopter collective up, click it, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow, apply, back, continue, and we're ready to fly. Now, this is a third person view. If you're used to driving a car and stuff, third person isn't bad. I found it easiest for me to fly in first person in the gyrocopter, just in the gyrocopter. The other helicopters, there is too little visibility to fly it like the gyrocopter. yeah, you can figure that out to get to yourself. But I'm gonna go into first person for this. And the first thing you do when you get into one, you can see over on the left side of the screen, it says 8 meters. On the bottom right of all those, it's your altitude meter says 8 meters right now. That means we're 8 meters above water level, and that's what that number refers to, is the water level, not ground level, water level. That's only important when you're flying. I've only run into it a couple of times where it mattered when I was flying by the meters from the ground. And we're gonna hit auto hover, and you're gonna see that 8 meters. Now it says 8 of 8. We're at 8 meters above ground level, and that's auto hover gives you the two numbers. So now we can start it, and we're going to test the keys. We just reset them, so the up arrow should take us up. Right arrow should turn us. Left arrow should turn us the other way. Down should take us down. And if you see the number on the left side, it's changing by the height of the helicopter. The one on the left side changes at the height of the helicopter. The one on the right side, the 16, if I just hold my arrow down, you're gonna see it climb fast. And I'm gonna stop it. I can just tap it up and down. Okay, at 55. Now the helicopter is gonna rise to 55 meters and stay there. Now if you want to fly forward, it's just like a car, W, A, S, and D. We'll show you the D and the A. And then if you go backwards, it's going to raise your front end. And to go forward, it's going to drop you. But you're going to stay at 55 meters because we have auto hoover on. And you're going to find to come to a stop isn't as easy as it isn't as easy as a car. You're going to go forward and backward until you get used to it. Now, I want to show you if I take the auto hoover off, we lose that extra number. And now when I go forward, it's going to drop the front end, and we're going to lose altitude. You're going to see the meters drop. Try to keep your helicopter straight. Combination of keys. When you're flying forward, you'll find you have to hold the up arrow to keep your height. Same with backwards. You can see I'm dropping big time.